Erin, I want you to tell me what brought you to see me.
I was having a coughing problem, and whenever I would play my sports or do stuff like that, I'd start coughing really bad and having really bad coughing fits, and I couldn't stop them.
And then, did anything else happen besides a cough?
Um, I had like a stuffy nose, and like I had to use different medicines to try to make it stop.
Did any of the medicines help?
The Zyrtec seemed to like help my allergies go away, and the Qvar for my cough seemed to.
Okay. And when you would have a coughing fit, did it affect your breathing at all?
It did because I couldn't get a breath in, and I was just wheezing, and I couldn't breathe.
And that thing that you called wheezing, what did it sound like? Can you show me? Great. Thank you.
Yeah.